Hello guys, welcome to our channel, The Learning Age. Are you tired of spending hours watching long Excel tutorial videos that feel like they are dragging you forever? Do you also struggle remembering complicated steps from videos that don't allow you to practice all along? It's time to change that. We are here with our Excel guide that will help you learn some of the basic Excel formulas and will allow you to do it on your own, as we believe in the concept of learning by doing it. We don't expect you to watch videos and remember at the time of execution, right? Because trust me, we all miss that or tend to forget that. Also, this is not a platform that will ask for some hefty fees from you to learn the course or something like that. Our sole agenda is helping people learn, helping people remember what they have learned, and to further that agenda, we have come up with this some of the basic Excel tutorial points. I'll quickly run you through what we have done here is we have come up with VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, SUMIFs, and formula. We have broken the formula here and given you a logical explanation of each of the matrix that is used in that formula, along with reference to our existing example, along with a practice table that will help you remember this formula along the way in your practical day-to-day life. So you can always refer this if something gets stuck. At the same time, you have something to practice for, and at the same time, you will also be thorough with why you're using and what you're using. So quickly, guys, I hope this helps a lot of people in a much larger way, and the link to buy the sheet is there in our description. Please share and subscribe the video so it reaches to the maximum number of people who can benefit from it. And also in the comments, please let us know if there is something that we can work upon or come up with that will help people at mass gain from it, right? So we have priced this at 75 rupees. So we are trying to be cost effective, not spend on marketing, at the same time come up with something new so that people can learn. So we are not a fancy startup or something like that. We are just here to help for people who can gain something from our experience or from our work. Thank you guys.